In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add and manage users in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. First, launch your QuickBooks. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on the settings icon and select Manage Users. Then click Add User to begin. Enter the user's name and email address. From the roles drop-down, choose the appropriate role, review the permissions that role includes, select any additional account management permissions if needed, and click Send Invitation. The user will receive an email inviting them to access your QuickBooks account. If the user does not receive the invitation, return to Manage Users and click Resend Invite. You can also edit a user's role or permissions at any time by selecting Edit next to their name. To remove a user, go back to Settings, Manage Users, click the three dot, then select Delete and confirm by clicking Delete User, and that's it. That's how you can easily add, manage, edit and remove users in QuickBooks Online while controlling exactly what each person can access in your company file. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.